Healthy Keto Zucchini Cookies recipe. Use only quality ingredients. 1 cup zucchini, grated or shredded. 1 cup almond flour. 1/4 cup coconut flour. 1/4 cup cacao powder or unsweetened cocoa powder. ½ teaspoon baking soda. ½ teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon quality cinnamon. 1/3 cup butter flavored coconut oil or ghee. ½ cup golden monk fruit granular sweetener or raw honey for paleo. 1 large egg yolk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 cup sugar-free chocolate chips. Step 1. Grate or shred the zucchini, then wrap it in a towel and squeeze out the excess liquid. Leave the zucchini in the towel so it continues absorbing liquid as you move on to the next steps. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients in a small mixing bowl, combining the almond flour, coconut flour, cacao powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, then set aside. Step 3. Melt the coconut oil in a large glass mixing bowl. Whisk in the sweetener first, then the egg yolk and vanilla extract. Step 4. Stir in the zucchini, add the dry ingredients, and stir to combine, then fold in the chocolate chips. Step 5. Form the dough into balls, then place on a lined baking sheet. Gently press each dough ball to flatten it into the shape of a cookie. Top each with a few pieces of chocolate, if desired. Step 6. Place the uncooked cookies in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until browned. Remove from the oven and allow to cool completely. Click the description below for more awesome keto recipes. Cheers!